Hi boys and girls, happy Thursday. Mrs. Wilcox here. I cannot believe that we are almost done with another week of school. We only have a little bit over a month and then we will be done with school altogether. That's really coming soon. So we have some awesome learning to do today. I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we'll be doing. All right, here I am on our Thursday page. I got to this page from our home page, clicking on the Thursday link by Mrs. Wilcox's silly picture. So the first thing is how you're going to talk to me this week. Remember, my friends, to earn a 3, a 1 thumb up, you are checking in with me at least once a week. And to earn a 4, a double thumbs up, which most of my friends are striving for, you're checking in with me 2 or more times this week. So here are all those options. You can go over to the chat board by clicking on the chat here, post for your friends and see who are online, or you can come on Zoom, or you have lots of other options of ways you can contact me this week. All right, I'm making the video that you're going to watch. After that, you're going to come down here and you're going to listen to this story, which is a really awesome story. I really enjoyed listening to it last night. And you are going to learn about some animals and the ways that they help plants to reproduce. That means how they help plants spread their seeds so that more new plants can come up. And so after that, you're gonna answer, were you surprised about any of the ways the animals spread seeds? Draw a picture and label that tells about a time you planted a seed. So maybe your picture will be of you planting a seed in soil, or maybe your picture will be of you eating an apple out in the forest, and then maybe dropping some of the seeds or the core on the ground to decompose. So I would like to see how you planted a seed, and today instead of writing, we're doing more of a drawing and labeling, okay? So make sure you add those labels. That's our writing for the day. Okay, for our math, we're going to continue working on our graphs. Today we're working on line plots. So I have this quick video for you to watch. It kind of talks about how we read line plots and how we use that information to answer questions. And then you're going to come here and there is a quick game quiz for you to play on that. So looking at line plots and answering questions from that data and information. Moving down, we're still working on our dental hygiene and taking care of our teeth. This video has some new facts, some new information, kind of about the total number of our teeth, and it talks a little bit more about when our teeth fall out, what happens after that. So I'm excited for you guys to learn a little bit more. After watching that, you're going to tell a family member 2 facts that you remember, 2 new things that you learned, or 2 facts that you remember from the video. Tell a family member that and talk about those and see if they knew that information already. All right, we are going to do a little bit of drawing today if you want to do that. And I have a video of a toothbrush and toothpaste. I thought that would be a great way for you to have a poster you could hang up in your house or your bathroom that would remind you to brush your teeth at least 2 times per day, and your family members as well. All right, my friends, that's all I have for you. Thank you for all of your hard work, and thank you for those of you that have been showing me your work through text and emails and pictures and Zoom. I really love seeing your work. Remember, the expectation is that you show me what you're doing and kind of check in with me once per week, but I always love to see you guys more. So anytime that you can hop on, I will be there at 11 a.m., and I'm really excited for the things that you've been doing and the way that you've been interacting and discussing with your family. So that's a really excellent way for us to learn. So keep up the great work, my friends. I hope you have an excellent Thursday. I will see you on Zoom. Otherwise, I'll see you on my Friday video. We're almost done with this week. Have a great day.